Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hey guys, happy Monday. And so I just wanted to, I started writing in this and I figured I might do a flip through. I know I've talked about it on a couple lives, but if you haven't seen it, I will show you. So this is a Webster's pocket size traveler's notebook. So let me take it apart just in case someone doesn't know. It's just a notebook that has these elastic strings in it where you can add things to it. Sorry, that's loud. And put little notebooks. So there's 4 other little notebooks in here, but this one is the one that I chose. So let me put these back in here and I'll show you what I have created and how I have it set up. So I make my own inserts because I am a journaler and I journal, so it's kind of my mixture of a junk journal and an insert. So in a junk journal, there are signatures that are sewn into the book, where in a traveler's notebook, there are inserts that can be removed and replaced. So here's my setup, and on the first page, I just have this little card. I need to do some more sewing, but I haven't yet. And then here is my insert that I created, and so cute, right? That I showed the fabric to everyone. But, okay, let's skip. So this is the first page. And then I used a digital print from Etsy. And then I made some journaling cards as well. Sewed everything around it. And then I'm skipping that page because I've wrote on it already. But it has like shimmer, super pink, like blush pink. There are sewn in tuck spots that have different printable paper. And then someone sent that to me, so that got put in. I put on tabs, and then I punched holes and put brads on it to hang charms from the side. And I thought it would give a cute touch. So this is all hand sprayed paper sewn onto the other paper. And so it just kind of repeats itself. And this is a tuck spot up here at the top. And then, so let's go to the middle. And then in the middle, there's a hand sewn pocket. And then there's this pocket over here that opens up, and I put some Velcro with a journaling card inside of it. And so it's kind of the same, where it has the paper and my charm is stuck. So I sewed some lace on the front and the back, and then this somebody sent me and it's already stuck in there. So that's my insert. And then I also have my meal and groceries. These are from 1407. And then I have vellum. And then this one is my sleep tracker insert. And then this is just regular notes. And then back here is a planner insert. And then the back I don't have anything. So that is my setup. I'm going to show Carrie's insert that I made, and I've talked about it before. I need to get this in the mail to her. But hers has the closure just in case she doesn't want to put it. So look how cute the closure is. So there's a lace closure, and then this is all sentimental to her, and that's why I put that on there. Here it's pretty much the same, except that all of the journaling cards are all sewn, and there's just different things that I put in here. It's all printable paper from Etsy. I punched the tabs with it. I put this up here, if you guys can see it, and wrote and put some brads. There is a cross that dangles from this side. There are side tuck spots with journaling cards in there, and then all hand sprayed paper. And this paper is so pretty, so crinkly, it's so girly. I love it. And so up here there are, and I just stuck this in here just to mark the space. I'm going to make fabric sewn tags in there. And then this one just says just breathe. And then, so it's the same thing, but I really enjoy it. This one has a different paper. It's got the silver arrows. And then she's got also a fabric pocket with Velcro, and then there is a flower hanging from the side, and then over here it's got different charms that are dangling. And so I just wanted to take a moment to show, I know that I always talk about it in my live, but I don't necessarily like just have a video where I'm showing the inserts that I'm working on. And then as I make the other ones, because I've showed you guys the fabric, I will also share those as well. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, you can put it in the description box, in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Like to do what you like, do what you